It's uphill. Did you think about that? It's uphill. I can't think of any other place I'll be going that has a mountain like that. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:53.
Okay. Here's the story. I've been up since 3. You think these videos make themselves? It's a working vacation. Yeah, let's close this down. Just behind the scenes, I'm on the island of Amorgos. I'm editing the island of Santorini. I'm posting. Instagram is like preview coming attractions. Facebook is like an announcement. Yeah. And this place, God bless them, the worst Wi-Fi. The fact that I'm doing anything is amazing. I'm a little off the grid MIA. Yeah. I mean, look, 5:56. I have my alarm for 5 went off while I had been up for 2 or so hours. Important things for today: money, credit card, license, lip protection, keys. That's extremely important. Tripod and camera protection area here. Cameras, important charging cables. The charging area is this. Backpacks, anything related to eyeballs, glasses, sunglasses, cases, and the drone. We have anything related to connections, hard drives, and these are GoPro accessories. These come with me. Anything power related, power charging up, power, oh yeah, I forgot to charge this. Yeah. The art of successful traveling, especially alone, is to be organized. Let me get together and get out of here. Chocolate bread, chocolate croissant. Yes. These are the best, the best, the best. Thanks. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Are you serious? Oh my God. Hi. What? Oh my God. Zoom. Okay. I don't know if you're ruining the experience or making it better. You kidding me? You're making it better. Yeah, I've decided. Okay. Okay, this isn't going good. This isn't going well. You're either ruining the vlog or making it better. That is unbelievable what you are doing right now. This is the last piece, and Do I recommend planning an entire trip around that? Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, you were good company. You were good company. You want to take a picture? We can put it on the gram. What's your, where do you go by? I'll follow you. Okay. You ready? Kitty. Hey, thanks for sharing breakfast with me. Okay. I'm gonna put that on the gram. Sorry you don't like chocolate croissants. That is so good. So, listen, kind of there. There's a Venetian castle in the rock behind me. Every time I've been here before, how about that? I can say that. Every time I've been here before, I can't get up there. He says he has the key. He says I have to hold on to my hat, though.
Tell how to go, how it goes.
Look at that key.
You have to put it like that.
Yes.
On the opposite.
Yes.
And you have to close for opening.
Close for opening.
Yes, everything on the opposite.
Wow, look at that key. Wow. That's awesome. Speechless. Yeah, I came here one time and the door was locked. I never even thought there was an option to get in. Conquest of Istanbul, 1204, so the 13th century. And I had the key to the castle. I have the key to the castle. This one. Do you want to see a bug that lives in a castle? This guy. Hey, you. What's going on? Nice home you got, buddy. That was amazing. That was amazing. That was like a ride at Disney World. Thank you. I've been here before. It means a lot to me this time. Beautiful, right? What is this? I do not. What is this Disneyland? I do not understand.